Hello, welcome to day 15 of trading the Stoch-Cross Scalper live on a live Forex account. Let's get to it. Let's show you what's happened today. Open up the history. And today's the 24th. It's currently 9:54 Eastern Time. But you can see that after 29 consecutive profitable trades that it's incurred a loss. So it broke the record, but boy, 29 in a row is still phenomenal. And then after that, it has performed two more successful profitable trades. And even though I don't like to lose the money, I'm kind of glad it did this before it's available for sale, because I didn't want to give the false impression that this expert advisor was infallible. It's going to have lose. I've been saying this all along. You're going to have losing trades. The trick is to have more winning than losing. So again, this just shows it's not perfect, and that you're going to have losses with it, and that's okay as long as your gains are more than what you lose. So this kind of is a good time to talk about technical trading, which is what the expert advisor does. It's just based purely on technical analysis. And if you were a trader, fundamentalist, or a trend trader, you would have never placed a buy order. I'm sorry, a sell order on euro US dollar, because if we go to the hour time frame, we can see that the trend is just been up. And the saying is the trend is your friend, and that's certainly true. Also, an expert advisor doesn't take into consideration, or let's say that an expert advisor that's based on technical analysis does not take into consideration fundamentals like the Treasury Secretary of the United States saying that a weak dollar is good for trade, and that certainly spurred this increase that you see from about here on. I'm hoping it settles down, because I'm currently in another losing trade. But again, I'm glad, because you need to see this, that there's no one strategy, no one silver bullet that is able to predict the forex market. Like I've said before, it's very unpredictable. There's a considerable risk involved. You just have to take the best analysis that you can make and make trades based off of that. And I feel very good, very comfortable that that's what the Stoch-Cross Scalper does. So one way, some people trade both with technical analysis and they also look at fundamentals. So you could have said, well, things are a little bit crazy right now with the US dollar, the way it's weakening, and I'm just going to you might turn your expert advisor off and switch to fundamental trading, or don't trade at all and kind of wait for this to settle out, because I am sure that this is going to come back down. It's just the repercussions of what was said and the things that are going on in the world and economy has led to a weaker dollar. And in fact, the dollar right now is at its lowest level in 3 years. And I think I showed that in one other video, that my stop loss was set at a level that hadn't been reached since 2014. Well, guess what? It's reached that level, and again, so with technical analysis, it's very hard to predict that type of movement, and you just need to be aware of that. So again, glad that we got a loss, and if we get another one, so be it. It will recover. And that's really the update for today. I'm looking forward to this coming back down and getting into more reasonable technical trading territory. But for now, I think Euro US dollar is going to continue to rise. Uh, it might come down tomorrow. There's some things going on tomorrow. But it is what it is. And you know, when I did the 5 month test, um, there certainly were trades that would go against the trend, or that would go against fundamental trading. But you know, bottom line is, all in all, it was very profitable. And so this is only day 15, and to have 4 losses out of 35, 34 trades, that's phenomenal. So stay tuned. Uh, we'll give you an update tomorrow to see how it's doing. And please like and subscribe to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and have a good night. Thank you very much.